On this assignment, we're going to be applying what we learned with color theory to value shading our new drawn object, our cupcake. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, get you guys started on adding some little value layers where you're going to be putting your light and going to your dark value. So you guys have a drawing that looks very similar to this, and if you look, you have areas here in the middle where a shape was drawn. That shape in those central locations is where the white or light value will be. You can kind of see right there. So you have some subsequent areas that are going to be drawn in addition to those as barriers from the light areas that will go to the dark areas that you all are going to add. And that is what I'm going to work with you all. So eventually your drawing should end up looking like this before you guys actually add your color. So I'm going to put this aside and I'll draw this. You guys are welcome to draw with me, and if you want to pause as you go, you certainly can. Okay, so around the shape of these two highlights is going to be where we're going to put our first little value barrier. And I'm doing it in the shape of this highlight here. And I'm going to do it in the shape of this little highlight here. Okay. And then the next one I'm going to do is going to come around just like this. And it's still going in the direction and the shape of the highlight. It's also going to come around right about there. So you're going to end up, you've got one area with value, two areas where you put value, and then a third area where you would place your value 1, 2, 3 right there. So you've got light or white, and then a light, and then kind of a light medium, and then it's going to gradually get into a dark area there. All right, so the next little part, you've got your highlight right here. You're going to do something very, very similar to what you did here. You do not have to write these numbers at all. They're just to kind of help you see what you need to do. So the highlight, you're going to outline this highlighted area in the direction of the highlight. Okay, and then you're going to do it one more time. You're going to outline it right here, and you may come back there. As long as it goes in a similar shape as what you did before, you should be good to go. So you've got your one area of value, your second, and then you have a third, and it looks like you have a little fourth area right here with your value. 1, 2. Okay. All right. And then right here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to outline So right here you have your original, which is white. You got your 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then you have 4 right here. So you have 4 different areas of value. All right, and then right here, it'll be the same thing. All right, and you've got here your original white that you had, so 1, and then 2, and then 3 sections of value, and then your 4th section of value right there. All right, we're gonna stop this video and I'll show you about, oh, one more thing. Next little thing that I almost forgot to do is this little bottom part where you're going to be putting in your neutrals right here. So you have your little area where you have your white, and so I'm just going to, on this one, I'm just mimicking the shape right here. Kind of see if it's going like this. You're gonna go like that. And we're going to be adding neutrals right here. Okay, so this will be white. So you have 1 area of value, 2, and then 3. You can kind of see 1, 2, 3 right here. So you have 3 here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then you have 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. So this is the only spot where you have 3. All right, now I'm going to do another video on the color